Welcome parents, I am Dr. Dandapani, child psychiatrist, currently working at CMC Vellore. Today we will be seeing about how to use digital behavior therapy for intellectual disability, ADHD and autism spectrum disorder. Welcome parents to the class on digital behavior therapy for autism, intellectual disability, ADHD using ARN mobile application. So what is a behavior therapy? Behavior therapy is something which focuses on modification of a behavior. It could be a good behavior or a bad behavior. It can be reducing a bad behavior like hitting others or increasing a good behavior like wishing others. So what is behavior therapy? Behavior therapy has these 5 steps. First, we have to identify the behavior to change. Then we have to analyze the behavior. Then we have to frequency chart the behavior and target the particular behavior and reward and differentially reinforce the targeted behavior. So what is digital behavior therapy? The above 5 steps could be done through the use of a mobile application or electronic media. So is digital behavior therapy better than usual chart method? Usually we use a chart method to do the behavior therapy. But there are issues like time consumption, easily destroyed. Child used to tear the paper and it is costly because every time you will have to buy a chart and it is difficult to carry everywhere you go. Logistic issues are there and it is less convenient because you will have to manage the chart manually. Whereas digital app is time saving, data can be restored even if the child is throwing the phone is broken. You can easily install using the login passwords and it is cheap, it is easy to carry and it is convenient. So coming to who inspired to develop this app, it was a parent who was well educated from a middle class. She found behavioral therapy was very useful and child was improving. But she found it difficult to carry everywhere she goes. Like if she is going to a grocery shop, she was finding it difficult to carry. And she was embarrassed to carry or use it in the public places. She also had repeatedly make the chart as a child used to tear it whenever the child used to get a cross. So we decided to develop an app which is easy to carry anywhere, which is convenient, which is easy to edit, active graphic model for children. It is time saving, better follow-up, consistent, cost effective. So we decided to study whether this mobile application is useful in our children or not. So we have to do a scientific research to prove digital behavior therapy is better and we have to use it in children and assess its usefulness. So we divided into 2 groups. One group will be using app and other group will be using chart. So entry into these groups is randomly chosen and it is for a duration of 1 month. People in the app group will have the opportunity to use chart. So they'll be changed into a chart group after 1 month. Similarly, people in the chart group will be changed to app group after 1 month. So the behaviors which are mentioned in the yellow, which is analyzing the behavior, frequency charting, targeting the behavior. All these 3 steps will be done using the mobile app and all other procedures are same. So here what we have to understand is the entire behavior therapy, the concept and everything remains the same. Only the modality changes from whether we are using a chart paper or whether we are using a mobile. Rest of the everything is same. So benefits of participating in this study. Opportunity to experience digital behavior therapy with the guidance and harness the benefits of digital behavior therapy at a 0 cost. Convenience, easy to carry and time saving. Reimbursement up to ₹500 if you take part and complete the study duration of 2 months. If you want to be part of this study, kindly inform the therapist in respective rooms. Kindly, child should have a diagnosis of either intellectual disability, autism or ADHD. Will be willing to provide consent for the study. What is expected from the parent? 1 month you will be experiencing the app and in the second month you will be asked to do chart method for behavior therapy. For some parents, they will start with the chart method for 1 month, and the second month they will be using the app. At the end of each month, you will be asked about convenience, consistency, usefulness of the method you used. Randomly checked by the independent co-investor will be done to assess the consistency. In case of any issue, contact the therapist in the therapy room. You have the right to withdraw from the study anytime. So we will see how to download the app. So just go to the Play Store where you will be typing ARAN, ARAN. Once you have this page, choose the one with the brain picture. Then install the app. Once installation is over, you can open the app. Then how to create an account in the app. You will have to click the app and click create new account, which is here. And then you will be asked a few basic details about like name of the child. Here I am taking it as Rakesh and age is 3 and gender is male. So which user type do I belong to? I put myself as parent and enter your email address. Enter your phone number and enter your password and confirm your password by typing it again. Then click submit. Your account is created successfully. Wait for the OTP in your mail or email which you have provided. So once the OTP is come, you can type your OTP and you can click submit. So once you submit, this will be the box which comes to you where you will see how to add a new child. So to add a new child, there is a box which is at the corner, and then you will have to type your child's name and how you call them at home. For example, I'm taking Suresh here. He's age 3 and his height is 70 centimeter and his weight is 12 kilograms. He is a male and he is a special child. If you want, you can upload an image and click submit. Your account is successfully created. So then you go to click task and then add new task. Type the task. Hitting others. I'm taking it for example. I can choose how frequently should I have to reward the child. It could vary from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour to 24 hours. Here I am choosing 30 minutes and click submit. Create another task by clicking add new task. Here I am taking bathing. It is a time-based task. Time-based task means it happens only in 24 hours. So you will have to change and set the timing when you want to set the timing for bathing. So I'm keeping it as 8, 10 or 8 a.m. So it will remind me at 8 a.m. daily. then how to use and what are the features available in this application. Since we have already seen how to create the task, we will see how to use it. Now, clicking on Suresh, you will have few things like ABC storage, ADL task, target behavior, frequency chatting, and exercises. Now we will see how to go about ABC chatting. Click Add ABC. ABC is antecedent, behavior, consequence. In the antecedent, for example, I am typing child is asked for chocolate and I refused. Child was hitting mother is the behavior. She got the chocolate is the consequence of that behavior, and click submit. So your behavior is added and recorded. So click on the ADL task. If you remember, we have clicked bathing, which used to happen once in 24 hours. So we are clicking that and bathing will be added to your ADL task and it will be reminded every 24 hours. And then focusing on the target behavior we have chosen. So hitting others was a target behavior, click that plus sign and then it will be added. There will be a star and there will be a cross. If you click the cross, it will show as this. If you click the star will come. If you want, you can get inside this and give star or cross. If you click on any of these timeline and you can change the date also from the top. So again, star will pop up. This is the animated graphic star, which the child likes more. So similarly, you can click star if you have missed anything in the past. So you have the flexibility of editing your reward later also. And frequency chatting. Frequency chatting is used, as I said, how frequently to the child is doing. Hitting others is the behavior I want to monitor. So I'm clicking plus. So it is getting added and I can click any number of time within 30 minutes, how much time the child is beating, like adding a number in the Swiggy order. So it gets added. So banging head also similarly I can do how much ever time the child is hitting, I can click plus and every 30 minutes it comes to 0 and the frequency gets recorded in the app. You will see how it gets recorded. So this is similar way. Every half an hour, if you see, like it is getting recorded. So here we could be able to see at 8 to 8:30 the frequency is 0, but 12 to 12:30 the frequency is 0. From 12:30 to 1 the frequency is 3. So every half an hour it gets recorded automatically. And the frequency can be seen or as a graph as you see below. So whether the frequency is increasing or decreasing, the chart can be seen as like this. A graphic representation is instantaneously available to you. So there is a setting of choosing the color, whichever color you like, you can choose. There is a setting of choosing an image. There is an option of choosing a ringtone. There is an option of choosing failure image. There is an option of choosing failure ringtone. Whichever your child likes, you can choose from the options available. and you will be given a reminder like this in your notification. Thank you.